Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google account recovery flow and entering the email or phone tied to the account. This proves ownership. Once done, choose the recovery method you control, text, call, or recovery email, and request a verification code. Make sure to use a device and location you've used before. Google favors familiar signals to confirm identity. If prompted, provide the last password you remember. Even an old one helps. Stay calm and follow each prompt carefully. Next, check your recovery phone, email, and device notifications for the code. Enter it as soon as you receive it because codes often expire quickly. If code entry isn't enough, you'll be asked to answer security questions or type the last password you recall. Do that. It raises the chance of recovery. Also, inspect alternate inboxes and spam folders. If you have two-step prompts on a trusted device, approve them. Keep your responses accurate and concise to move forward. Finally, once verified, create a strong new password, long, unique, and not used elsewhere, and store it in a password manager. Make sure to update saved devices and apps with the new password. Otherwise, sync and sign-in may fail. Afterward, enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. If recovery fails, wait 24 to 72 hours and retry using the same familiar device and location, or use the account recovery prompts again. Persistence and accurate answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.